My name is Chuck Siccardi. I'm assistant clinical professor. I teach a variety of culinary arts courses and hospitality management.
My name is Paul O'Neill. I am associate clinical professor, and classes I teach are more hospitality focused, more the front of house and the beverage classes.
My name is Rich Pepino. I'm the executive chef here at Drexel University's Culinary Arts and Food Science program. I'm also a graduate of the program and happy to be back working here.
The Culinary Arts and Science program has two tracks, food and beverage, which would be your culinary arts track. And students in that could go into restaurant ownership, they can go into hotels, they might be interested in a variety of hospitality fields. And then there's also food science, which many of those students might be more interested in research and development.
Number of other classes or other opportunities that they have. They can get into product developments. We have students that have gone on to work with Campbell's, Nestle, Hershey's, other corporations as well.
When I think of Drexel Culinary, we aren't like every typical culinary program. Other than us having a 4-degree program and a research aspect to what we teach here, we really engage our students and give them a hands-on application here in the city of Philadelphia, where once we feel that they're ready for that hands-on experience, even before their co-op, we like to submerge them and engage them with chefs that are true, proven professionals in our city.
I think where we distinguish ourselves from others is the fact that we are experientially focused. We also have our co-op program, which to me is much more valuable compared to other programs, externships or practicums that they may involve.
And those co-op jobs, they become their networking. So many of these experiences that they're having, not just for the co-op experience, but they may have had that job before co-op, and then it becomes their co-op, and then they retain that job after their co-op.
Having gone through the co-op program here at the school, I can 100% attest to the fact that as a result of all the experience I got firsthand, management experience on my co-op, I had a job 3 to 4 months before I left here with a different company. And it was with Aramark at the time. But I had a job already set up before my graduation because of that experience I received during co-op. And I make it a point to tell people when they come to Drexel, you have, especially in our program, you have every opportunity to network with so many, not just chefs, but industry professionals and leaders. We have a fully functioning restaurant up here on our 6th floor of the academic building. Our academic bistro is actually run by Professor O'Neill as, if you would, the general manager, as his class would run it. And then myself, my production class, I would be the executive chef in the kitchen. And we have 2 classes that are running simultaneous that are actually there to work as one whole as an operating restaurant. We submerge our students in that experience so that way they actually know what it might be like serving food in an actual restaurant, whether it be putting them, if they have a little experience directly on the line, or if they have a draw to wanting to learn more about baking or pastry, I might put them on desserts. But the whole idea is to engage them and to prepare them for that moment once they go out and get their first working opportunity.
One of our alums, she is with a Michelin star, recently awarded Michelin star restaurant. She did her co-op with another restaurant that received a Michelin star. We've also had students that have had the opportunity to co-op internationally. So 2 students that are currently lined up to go to Japan. We've had students who have gone on to Ireland, to other countries as well. So I think, that's been very beneficial. The Philly Chef Conference is a great opportunity for us to connect our students with members within the industry and the food community as a whole. It convenes all of these different food communities within the city for a number of different workshops, moderated panels, and demonstration.
The Chef Conference in the last 11, 12 years has been a very big contributor to our networking ability and to our students' networking ability. Not just bringing them to the workplace, but bringing the workplace to Drexel.
And it's really just an opportunity for the students to see aspects of the industry outside of the classroom, for them to get a little bit more hands-on experience. Teach me, I may remember, but if you involve me, I learn. And I think the heart and soul of the experiential learning is really putting all of the things that we've talked about and discussed in our classes and put them into practice.